This is Project Dub 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 by Zayu-jin.
As content creators, we all want views. But how can we get our content to the people who do not speak the language that we have in the video? Well, I have something for you. So let's get started by loading up an audio sample I just made in the backstage.
What do you have up your sleeve?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Adobe MAX.
Welcome to Adobe MAX, everyone. All right. So what are we going to do? Just choose a language. I always want to learn Spanish. And here you go.
Buenas noches a todos, bienvenidos a Adobe MAX.
So this is Project Dub Dub Dub. It helps you to dub your content into different languages while keeping the voice the same. But how close are the voices? Well, let's do a stress test. I'm going to choose an audio sample that my colleague sent me, and let's dub it in a number of languages. Let's choose all of this. We're going crazy. All right. So I'm going to play the original.
お客様との信頼関係の構築にもつながると思っております。
All right, and give a sec, and listen to all this language chain together.
お客様との信頼関係の構築にもつながると思っております。Creemos que también conducirá a la construcción de relaciones de confianza con nuestros clientes. Wir glauben, dass dies auch zum Aufbau vertrauensvoller Beziehungen zu unseren Kunden führen wird. Nous croyons que cela conduira également à établir des relations de confiance avec nos clients. أنا مؤمنين كي تبريد مبنيات خاصة مهمة جدا. نعتقد أنه سيؤدي أيضا إلى بناء علاقات ثقة مع عملائنا. We believe that it will also lead to building relationships of trust with our customers. 우리는 또한 고객과의 신뢰관계 구축으로 이어질 것이라고 믿습니다.
All right. This totally sounds like she said all these things, but no, I guarantee you, just 3 seconds of audio, we can make her say all these languages and all the languages that we support. But let's do something even more challenging. Well, the mouse is not moving. All right. So let's load up an older video, because everybody loved the older video like the last show, right? How many people want to listen to Gary Grant saying some Spanish? All right, let's do it. All we need to do is to load up the file and choose some languages. Let's just do Spanish and German. All right, let's watch the original while it's processing.
Get Bruce out of jail. How can you worry about a man who's resting in a nice, quiet police station? Well, this is going on. Hillary, this is war. You can't deserve me now.
Oh, get off that trapeze. You've got your story right over there on the desk. Go on, smear it all over the front page. Earl Williams captured by the Morning Post. I covered your story for you, and I got in a fine mess doing it. Now I'm getting out.
You're drooling idiot. What do you mean?
I just what I said.
There are 365 days in a year one can get mad. How many?
Classic arguing scene. All right, let's see Spanish.
Sacar a Bruce de la cárcel. ¿Cómo puedes preocuparte por un hombre que está descansando tranquilo? Mañana está fiando policía mientras esto sucede. Indy, esto es guerra. No puedes desertar ahora.
Baja que ese trapecio. Simplemente lo vas a manchar por toda la primera página. El Williams arropado por el Morning Post. Como que usted aparte y me metí en un lío y ahora estoy saliendo.
Idiota, ¿qué quiere decir con que estás saliendo? Hay 365 días en el año que no puede casarse.
And also German.
Programm im Gefängnis schon. Hier kann man sich Sorgen um einen Mann machen, der sich währenddessen in einer netten, ruhigen Polizeistation ausruht. Hildy, das ist Krieg. Du kannst jetzt nicht protestieren.
Sie werden es einfach auf die Titelseite schmieren und Williams wurde von der Morning Post erwischt. Ich habe eine Geschichte für dich erzählt und ich habe mich selbst energisch ausgebracht. Und jetzt komme ich raus.
Du gehst raus. Es gibt 365 Tage im Jahr, an denen man heiraten kann.
So with Project Dub Dub Dub, you can just dub your content into various languages, ready to post.
Thank you, Zayu. I mean, I think now you see where I was going with that.
Yeah.
Have you ever been dubbed in a movie before and like listened to that back? And
Yeah, it's usually very bad, and I seem way angrier.
in every language.
In every language.
Wow.
I remember they dubbed me in German, and I'm like, I don't sound that angry, do I? And people are like, you scream all the time. That's your main comedic trick. First of all, Sarah Goot.
I actually don't know what that means.
Yep. You'll have to dub it, dub it.
All right, I'll try to use that next time.
Yeah. I mean, it's truly incredible. I mean, this is the future. I've been looking to break into the Vietnamese market, so I think this might help.
This is it for you.
This is it.
This is
the
it. One more
tool.
time for Project Dub Dub Dub. Thank you, Zayo.